Hi everyone, microwaves are super convenient, but small mistakes can ruin your food and harm your health. In this video, we'll learn how to use your microwave safely and avoid common mistakes. We'll also share tips on choosing the best microwave and keeping it in top condition for use. Watch till the end to make the most of your microwave without any risks. When plastic is heated, it can release harmful chemicals like BPA into your food. These chemicals can disrupt hormone levels and increase the risk of certain health problems. Avoid using plastic containers that are not microwave safe, and opt for glass or ceramic containers instead. If you must use plastic, make sure it's labeled microwave safe to reduce risks. Uncovered food can explode inside the microwave, causing a mess and making the appliance harder to clean. The splashes also create a breeding ground for bacteria, leading to possible contamination. Using a microwave-safe cover or even a paper towel can help keep things tidy. Plus, it helps retain moisture in the food, keeping it from drying out. This uneven heating can lead to food that's either overcooked on the outside or undercooked on the inside, which could cause stomach upset. To avoid this, stir your food halfway through cooking, or arrange it in a circular pattern to allow for better heat distribution. Using a microwave-safe cover can also help distribute heat more evenly. Additionally, investing in a microwave with turntable functionality can improve cooking consistency. Putting metal in a microwave can create dangerous sparks, which could ignite food or even cause a fire. Even small amounts of metal, such as a fork or a twist tie, can reflect microwave radiation, causing hazards. Avoid using any kind of metal, including aluminum foil, when using the microwave. Instead, use microwave-safe containers made from glass, ceramic, or microwave-safe plastic. Spills can cause lingering odors and bacteria to grow, especially if left uncleaned for too long. Food particles can also burn onto the microwave walls, making future heating less effective. Wipe down your microwave regularly with a damp cloth to prevent these buildups. You can also steam a bowl of water with lemon in the microwave to loosen grease and clean it more easily. Water heated too long in the microwave can exceed its boiling point without actually boiling, making it superheated. When disturbed, superheated water can suddenly explode, causing burns or injury. Always stir water before heating and leave space at the top of the container to allow bubbles to form. It's safer to heat water in short intervals to prevent overheating. Different foods have varying moisture content and density, so they require different power levels to cook properly. Using the wrong setting can lead to overcooked or unevenly heated food. Adjusting the power levels based on the food type can help preserve texture and flavor. It also reduces the risk of nutrient loss from overcooking certain foods. When choosing a microwave, it's important to know your needs. A solo microwave is perfect if you're mainly reheating food or defrosting items quickly. If you enjoy grilling or toasting, a grill microwave is your best option, as it provides that crisp, grilled texture without needing a separate grill. For those who love baking or need a microwave for more advanced cooking, the convection microwave is the way to go, as it combines microwave cooking with oven-like functions. Understanding your cooking style will help you select the best microwave for your kitchen needs. Here are some extra tips and precautions to keep in mind while using your microwave. Don't run the microwave empty, as this can damage the magnetron and shorten the lifespan of the machine. Always let your food cool slightly before eating to avoid burns, especially when it's been heated for a long time. Never microwave boiled eggs, as they can explode due to pressure buildup inside the shell. Always refer to the manufacturer's guide for correct usage, as each microwave might have specific safety instructions. Following these simple precautions will ensure your microwave works efficiently and safely. Let's quickly summarize today's video with these important highlights. Use glass or ceramic containers instead of plastic when microwaving, as plastic can release harmful chemicals when heated. Always cover food to prevent splashes, which can make a mess and encourage bacteria growth. Stir your food regularly to ensure even heating and avoid cold spots that could lead to undercooked meals. Never put metal objects inside the microwave, as they can cause sparks or even a fire. It's important to clean your microwave regularly to avoid food spills and grease buildup that can affect the taste and safety of your food. When buying a microwave, make sure to choose the right one for your needs, whether it's for reheating, grilling, or full cooking. Follow the safety tips to prevent accidents and ensure your microwave serves you well for years. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Thanks for watching today's video. We hope these microwave tips help you use your appliance more safely and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful content. Have any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to hear from you. Stay safe and keep cooking smart.